12 sleep phrasal verbs.
Sleep over. Sleep over. It means spend the night at someone else's house. For example, Mom, do you mind if I sleep over at Jane's tonight? Sleep around. Sleep around. It means have many casual, sexual patterns. For example, I think she's already sleeping around with other men. Doze off. Doze off. It means to go into a light sleep for a short period of time, often in the day. For example, Auntie Jamie used to doze off in an armchair after dinner. Sleep in. Sleep in. It means remain asleep or in bed later than usual in the morning. For example, I was too tired to get up and go to school, so I just slept in. Nod off. Nod off. It means to fall asleep briefly or unintentionally. For example, I was practically nodding off in that lesson. Drop off. Drop off. It means to fall asleep easily, often without intending to do so. For example, Paul closed his eyes and dropped off to sleep. Flake out. Flake out. It means to collapse, go to sleep because you're exhausted. For example, I phoned him to say I just didn't have the energy to do it. So I went home and flaked out. Lion. Lion. It means to remain in bed after your normal wake up time. For example, I lie in bed longer today since it's my day off. Stay up. Stay up. It means to stay awake at night. For example, we stayed up late last night because we wanted to know the results of the game. Sleep something off. Sleep something off. It means recover from something by going to sleep. For example, I'll give you a call when I sleep off the drinks from last night. Sleep on it. Sleep on it. It means to delay making a decision until the following day. For example, you don't have to say anything now. Sleep on it, and we'll talk tomorrow. Sleep through. Sleep through. It means to sleep continuously for a long time. For example, I slept right through till lunchtime. Wake up. Wake up. It means to stop sleeping, to become awake. For example, I wake up early every morning. Get up. Get up. It means to get out of bed after sleeping. For example, children. It is time to get up.